Hey everybody, I'm Chelsea and I'm new to YouTube, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these really cute like Beetlejuice slash jailbird shorts. They were really easy to make. I just used black and white acrylic paint. I used a Sharpie and a gel pen, and then I also used 2 paintbrushes. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So in the intro, I forgot to mention that I also used a ruler, but now I'm going in with the ruler and I'm making the vertical lines. And I suggest starting on the side that's not closest to your inner thigh. Also, I'm avoiding drawing the vertical lines on the right side pants pocket because I want that to be left denim. Don't you know it's crocodile? You'll find your fortune falling all over town, all over town, all over town. So I repeat this step on the left side, but I only do it on the pants pocket. So now I'm painting every other vertical line with the white acrylic paint. Sometimes I went outside of the line, but that's okay because later I cleaned it up with a black Sharpie. Hey, Baba, boy. Ooh, Baba, boy. Ooh, I knew I'd get you. Let's go, let's go. So here I'm outlining the messy white lines with the Sharpie, and then I'm going to go in with the black paint. So I continue with the black Sharpie and the black paint on both sides, and also I cuffed the shorts. This is the final product, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.